Introducing the one-component all-season adhesive glue, your reliable solution for bonding artificial grass, no matter the season. Start by placing the adhesive into a caulking gun. Make sure the caulking gun is properly tensioned for a smooth and steady adhesive application. Now, distribute the adhesive evenly along the seaming tape. The one-component all-season adhesive ensures a strong bond that holds up to weather changes and everyday wear. Once the adhesive is applied, carefully lay the artificial grass over it. Press down firmly on the grass to secure it in place, ensuring a seamless and long-lasting finish. The one-component all-season adhesive requires a drying time of 1.5 to 2 hours before sanding or brushing. The all-season adhesive glue, for durable and easy installation anytime, anywhere.